think you need really the drive to go forward and get the A. So whether that's going out there and doing the independent work, learning the exam style, learning how best to answer the question, learning the structure of the exam, so you not only know the material but you know how to sort of approach the question, approach the exam, and really aim for the sort of A grade.
Analysis is really important, so it's one thing knowing the material but one thing analysing it, having your own interpretation of it and being critical, because A-level is kind of different from that way for earlier studies where you don't get the opportunity to critique what you're learning, so it's exciting in that way.
I'd say understanding how the exam works, so how the questions work, short answers, long answers, describe, explain, analyse, things like that, and just understanding the course in general. So understanding obviously the content but then how to expand on that in the exam.
I think the most important skills that you develop at A-level that especially helped me at uni are the skills of analysis and just really honing your own understanding of it rather than being spoon-fed that skill like you are at the lower years. And so the way I did that really helped me was I'd do loads of practice essays and I'd literally spend 5 or 10 minutes just staring at the title and just making sure that I really understood the question and what it was specifically asking me. So even breaking down question words like how and why, think about, okay, what processes is it linked to, what theories, all that kind of thing really, really helps.